Hi everyone, welcome to What's Meg Making. I'm Meg, and today we are making some delicious chicken shawarma bowls. So it all starts with a marinade, which is a little bit yogurt based. We're going to add some lemon juice and a spice blend that I will show you how to make because there's a lot of different spices incorporated in this. So it's much easier to make a large batch and then sprinkle it all over your chicken whenever you're ready to make this. We're also going to drizzle a little olive oil over top, some salt and pepper, and it's pretty simple. We'll let it marinate for 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'm probably going to cook this in the air fryer because that's really fast. But you could also bake this or put it on the grill if you have nice weather. We don't yet. March in New England is still winter. So I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. I'm going to season with salt and pepper. My spice blend doesn't have any salt and pepper, so you do need it. I got this recipe actually from an Instagram account, like Eating Healthy Today or something. It looked really good, and I decided to try it, and it is really delicious. It's basically a blend of like paprika, thyme, garlic powder, some spicy components like cayenne and chipotle powder. But then there's also some unique, unexpected seasonings like cardamom and cinnamon and something else that I'm forgetting. So it is a really unique spice blend. It smells absolutely incredible while it's cooking up in the air fryer. So excited for this. And you can have it wrapped in like a pita, would be really yummy with some like tzatziki or sauce of some kind. Or we're going to have it with like rice, maybe some chickpeas, a little like Greek dressing, pickled onions. We'll just do kind of like a Mediterranean bowl style. This is a nice lemon, actually, that I have. I'm getting a lot of juice out of this lemon. I don't want any seeds, though. I did about like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to do about a quarter cup of yogurt. And I have 2 pounds of chicken thighs here. So there's no easy way to do this. I'm just going to get in there with my hands and mix this really well and then wash them. And then I'll show you how it's supposed to look while it's marinating. Yuck. You want to be really generous with the seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit more because it doesn't look like quite enough yet. I'm probably doing a full 1 or 2 tablespoons. Probably 2 since I have 2 pounds of chicken here. Okay, my chicken looks good. I'm going to wrap this in some plastic wrap, get it in the fridge, let it marinate, and then we'll be back when it's time to cook. Okay, our chicken has been marinating for at least 30 minutes. So I'm going to get it cooking. We're going to do the air fryer at 400 for about 15 minutes. And then we'll check it, make sure it's at 165 internal temperature, slice it up, and have it with our rice and other toppings, which I will also get together in a minute. Okay, the chicken's in the air fryer. I am going to slice up some veggies to have with this. I have some mini cucumbers and some cherry tomatoes that I might slice in half. And that's about it for the prep of this recipe. So this is perfect for like a busy weeknight. You get home from work, you don't really have much time or energy to cook. You throw this together. I just sent my cucumbers flying. Bubza, come here, you want cucumber? Oh, good girl. My dog loves cucumbers. But yeah, as I was saying, this is a really quick weeknight meal. It's a staple in our rotation, and it's also really flavorful, delicious. You're not sacrificing anything in terms of it being quick. We're going to have rice that is from Trader Joe's. It's already prepared, 3 minutes in the microwave. And then it's also really good with some hummus and some feta cheese. Probably have that as well. Okay, I'm gonna season my cucumbers and tomatoes with a little salt and pepper. This helps bring out their flavor. And that's it for this recipe. We're just waiting on the chicken. I'm gonna pull out some toppings from the fridge and then we'll have dinner ready. Okay, we're gonna top our bowls with Greek dressing if you want. We have some feta cheese, pepperoncini are really good, some homemade pickled onions, and then we have 2 different flavors of hummus, garlic hummus and regular. Our veggies, air fryer just finished. You can probably hear that. Veggies, rice. Oh, and I'm gonna rinse some chickpeas as well. And this will be a really balanced, healthy dinner. So I'm excited. Okay, our chicken's done. I'm just going to slice it up really quick. We have the rice going in the microwave and serve up some yummy chicken shawarma bowls for dinner. Yum. It's really good. Okay, time to assemble our bowls. We just have a rice medley in here and some drained and rinsed chickpeas. Now I'm going to add my chicken and all the other fixins. Ginny, you're literally crowding me out of my own thing. All right, I think we're ready to taste it. Trying to get a little bit of everything in my bite, but
there we go. That's
mostly
a bite.
just chicken. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm-hmm. Yum.
Mm-hmm.
So good. Hits every time. And this is like really pretty healthy too. You got fiber from the chickpeas, lots of protein from the chicken, some veggies. It's a well balanced, delicious dinner in like minutes, right?
Yeah.
I mean, very low effort. You can marinate this the night before too. And then it's even faster because you don't have to deal with making the marinade.
It's fantastic. Spice on the chicken's unbelievable.
Yeah. Our dog is not happy. She wants some chicken. I don't know if she's going to get some, but she'll get some more cucumbers. But yeah, let me know if you try this one. I hope you like it. And we'll see you next time.
Thanks for stopping by.
Good girl. Yeah, good puppy.